In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the latest Payback 2 mod menu fully working on both iOS and Android devices. This method is updated, safe, and easy to follow. As you can see on your screen, this Payback 2 mod menu unlocks all hacks and features, including unlimited money and coins on iOS and Android. With this mod, you'll gain access to powerful options such as God Mode, unlimited money, unlimited coins, wall hack, unlimited ammo, and many more exclusive features that completely change the gameplay experience. Before we begin, make sure your Payback 2 game is updated to the latest version. To do this, simply open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Payback 2, and check if an update is available. If your game is already up to date, you're ready to continue. Next, scroll down and check the pinned comment below this video. In the pinned comment, I explain step-by-step how to download Payback 2 and activate the mod menu correctly on your device. If this method works for you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more Payback 2 mod menu tutorials, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!